Leather adds warmth, character, and luxury to any space, but without proper care it can quickly lose its appeal. This premium leather conditioner is designed to bring tired leather back to life, restoring a rich look while keeping surfaces soft, supple, and comfortable to the touch. From the first application, it penetrates deep into the leather to gently lift dirt, smudges, and everyday grime, revealing a cleaner and more refreshed surface underneath. What makes this conditioner stand out is its carefully balanced blend of special oils and conditioners. These nourishing ingredients help replenish moisture that leather naturally loses over time, supporting flexibility and reducing the risk of drying, cracking, or stiffness. With regular use, it helps extend the life of leather furniture, accessories, and interiors, keeping them looking attractive and well cared for rather than worn or neglected. Application is simple and satisfying. The formula spreads easily, absorbs efficiently, and buffs to a smooth, natural-looking luster without leaving a greasy residue. As it dries, leather feels noticeably softer while maintaining a clean, refined appearance. For natural or unfinished leather, the conditioner may cause a color change, which is why treating the entire item is recommended to achieve a uniform and balanced finish. This product is ideal for addressing everyday wear and light surface marks. By deeply conditioning the leather, it can help blend the appearance of scratches and scuffs, making them less noticeable over time. Many users are impressed by how quickly it works and how long the moisturizing effect lasts, even between applications. If you want to protect your investment and keep leather looking its best for years to come, this conditioner is a reliable addition to your care routine. Check the product link in the video description to learn more and make your purchase. Subscribe to the channel to discover more high-quality care products and helpful reviews that make maintenance easier and more effective.